Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Time for me to do the usual. We're about to open up here. Keep this on the 5-minute. And that should be our 5-minute candle opening. We'll put this on the 15. We'll remove drawings right here. And per usual, give me a couple minutes to figure everything out. Sorry about that, everybody. Put this over here. I wonder, can you guys hear that? I would doubt it. Wow. I was just about to say good morning.
The market
again,
is open.
But what is? What's going on here? I hope nobody was trying to trade the open. 1 second here, guys. Doing my quick sound checks. Make sure that everything is in place, basically. I need to start doing this before the stream starts, yeah? That'd be like preferred, yeah? Instead of doing this on the fly, yeah? Alrighty, so we're coming right back down here. Per usual, I'm not interested in any of this motion. I am waiting for my setup, and that's exactly what we're going to do. So let's wait. Which reminds me, let's put this stuff on streamer stuff. I don't really care about the account name, but let's see what that does. Alright, cool. DLL. In fact, let's keep that up. That's fine. Honestly, yeah, I really don't care about none of this. Alright, well, I could probably keep that right there. And balance. Yeah, y'all can see everything except for the maximum limit. I guess that's fine. Eventually, I'll probably start to hide the balance, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Alrighty, guys, we're open. We're open and we're dancing. We're dancing, we're opening, we're dancing during the open. All right. Once again, I'm not interested in any of this motion, like none of it, zero. So, in fact, I see a message about to pop up. Let me go ahead and turn this down. Okay, so let's take a quick look at what we got here, guys. So we took this high right here, major high right there. Looking at the hourly kind of looks like it's confused. The hourly doesn't look definitive. Could it keep going up? Maybe. Does it want to keep going up? Maybe. But for all intents and purposes, even though we took this major high right here, and this is a major high, I would still want to be bullish for today. Just to get my quick little piece and get out of the market. But we got to be very careful. Today is the day before NFP. And usually, according to ICT land, the day before NFP is usually rough. So we do what we always do, and we wait. We do what we always do, and we wait. Should I take this time to make me a quick coffee? I think so. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I should probably get that first sip of caffeine. Let's do that. Okay. You know, I hate how hard it is to just link your YouTube video on Instagram. It's really stupid. It's not all that intuitive, in my opinion. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, and ladies, there's nothing here for me to do. There's nothing here for me to do. So I'm gonna take a quick little break here and make me some caffeine. I'll be right back in 2 shakes. Alrighty, guys. Hello. I'm back. Back once again. And what time is it? It is 9:45. So we do have our opening range. Let's see what we have here. And it is established as so. And I can tell you guys right off the bat, I don't necessarily want to play around with this today. Looks like we're breaking out of that orb right there. Unfortunately, I'm not a master of the orb strategy. But I know that there are some people that's probably taking this all the way to the downside. Yeah, break of the orb range here. Let's see what it wants to do. Let's see what we get, what it wants to do. I like this stuff. Yep, we're coming down here. Yep, coming down, coming down, coming down, coming down. Coming down hard too. Kind of makes sense. Looks like your ICT nonsense is at play here. Took this high, swept this high with absolute violence. 15-minute engulfing. We're breaking the orb. Man, is this the big boy retracement that we've all been waiting for? Are we about to skinnamarink all the way down? Tune in. Find out next time on the next episode of Dragon Ball Z. Alright guys, sorry about that. Okay, so I'm thinking if I was to play some ICT nonsense today, I'm thinking price wants to come back into here. And if it wants to be bearish, we continue from here. This would be an idea. In fact, I'm pretty sure that other ICT traders are taking that idea. I would like to see a little bit more before I get in. Once again, we're trading SBS here. And we're not trying to, shake the pot too much. But when the ICT is clear, I will take it. But, it's all good. R. The letter R. Good morning, man. Good morning to you, letter R. Nice, nice YouTube name. See, the problem with this is stops are way too high. Stops are crazy. Volume is in. If you wanted to, you could probably do something like that. Start targeting these highs. If we wanted to be bearish, that's a lot of room though. Possible, but a lot of room. And I know someone's taking this. And it's very tempting to take, to be honest with you. I think I'm gonna let it go. I want to see a little bit more. But let me check the socials. Let me check what everybody else is doing. I'm pretty sure other people are trying this right here. I'm almost pretty sure. Yeah, that's kind of what I thought. I mean, it looks pretty good. The SMAs are lining up. The 1 minute looks good. We took these highs, break it to orb. Is it worth my monies? I don't think so. But if you wanted to get in, this would be your this is your bus right here. I'm waiting for my model. But this short looks good. Waiting for my model, but this short does look pretty good. 5-minute in closing right there. Yeah. I kind of want to give it a shot. But I should have been up here if I wanted to do it. Looking pretty good. Looking pretty good, honestly. Hey, good morning. I want to. I hope I'm not butchering your name. Nyanji. Nyanje? I hope I'm saying it right. Miss Dixon. Good morning. Yeah, that's there it is right there, guys. There it is right there. It didn't take it though. Didn't take it. Just wasn't my setup. But this was pretty good. This was pretty good. Not gonna lie. Just not for me. Stops too wide. Your ICT is kind of cooking. Went right into the halfway point of the fair value gap, and now we're just trending lower. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay, let's see if we can get something here. One, here's your two. Problem is, I would need like a 3 sweep. I'm not getting that. Maybe it's on the 32nd. I don't like nickel and diming price like that. Yeah. 1, 2. Yeah, I would need a 3 leg right here. Kind of want to give this a shot. Coming right back up here. What does price want to do here? I want to pierce back into this fair value gap. Just a guy waiting for my model, guys. I'm just a kid waiting for my model. That is it. That is all. Yeah. 1, 2. Give you a little re-entry here. I'd rather not get spanked on my fresh new account early this morning. Wait for a little bit more clarity here. Just waiting for a little clarity, that's all. Still looks like we're respecting the zone. Respecting it heavy. The problem is I just have a 1, 2. I don't have a 3. If I had a 3, let me see. Let me do this. Am I doing this right? 1, 2. Yep. 3, then 4. It's not clear. The candles are moving, price is moving, but it's still not clear enough for me. So I'm personally gonna wait here, guys. Let me see. Do we have any news? Do we have any newsy news? I'm pretty sure we don't. I think all of our news is out of the way for today. Yeah, we had unemployment claims, and that's pretty much it. And Darcy blows. Yeah, like I said, didn't have. If we had a 1, 2, we had a 3 right here, 4, 5 somewhere in here, I would have entertained the short. But hey, it is what it is. It is what it is, boys and girls. It is what it is. So basically, in order for me to get triggered into a trade here, I would need to see something along the lines of this right here. So we had 1, 2, I would need 3 right here. Then I need to come all the way back up, do something like this. Yeah, I would need to wait for something like that. Other than that, we're chilling, guys. We are chilling. Hope everybody's having a good trading morning, though. Right back up, right back up, right back up, right back up. If you're an ICT trader, you're probably sweating right now. Because why are we not breaking this? Good luck. Yes indeed. Patience is indeed key. Let me know if I'm pronouncing your name correctly too. Nyanje? I hope I'm somewhere in the right vicinity. I don't want to butcher your name. Yeah, we're coming right back up into this range here. Without a proper SBS forming. So no SBS, no trade. Even though this would have been pretty decent to go down to the downside, I'm not gonna lie. But coming back up into this range for the third time kind of has me spooked. It's making me think we want to go higher. But yeah, no, I don't have a 3. I don't have a 3, meaning I don't have no 3, no trade. Yeah, I don't have a 3. Literally can't do it. I need the first 3 sweeps of the sequence. It's a non-negotiable. Non-negotiable. Hey there, Nick. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, guys, no 3, no trade. No 3, no trade. I am forced to sit on my hands and maybe no butchering at all. No butchering at all. I am very glad to hear that. Thank you so much. Because I was really struggling for a second. It's a wide world. There's no way that I'm going to pronounce somebody's name incorrectly. It reminds me of a time that I used to work for the federal government. Still kind of do. But people would change their name and just to like fit in with the crowd. So I think I had a coworker. Her name was what was the little girl's name? It was Suhan. Her name was Suhan Penn, but she changed her name to Ashley. And I'm like, I'm not one of these white people, dog. Like I'm going to pronounce your actual birth given name. If your name is Suhan, I'm going to call you Suhan, whatever your birth name is. Period. Little side little side talk there. But yeah, that always pisses me off. So that's why I'm a stickler for getting everybody's name correctly. Like, yeah. Kenya name. Very nice. Kind of had a feeling. I had my mother's ex-husband was from Ghana, and his name was Kwaku. I forget what day. I forget what day that was. I think it was either Wednesday or Thursday or something like that. But yeah, his name was Kwaku. I think that might sound familiar to you. Yeah, guys, so once again, we're not forming the way I want us to form. We're not doing the things I want us to do. If you're an ICT trader, once again, I am no longer an ICT trader. I do use some of his concepts if it's like really clear and it's like, I can see it very clearly, but I already know that there are several ICT traders in here that's sweating. Like, I would have been out of this trade already, especially if I saw this retracing. So this is looking kind of difficult. It's looking like a difficult day. We may get a trade here, we may not. I'm not interested in taking this anymore. I mean, I wasn't at the first place, but good luck though. Good luck. It's kind of why I don't like taking like the first displacement or the first presented fair value gap, whatever you want to call it. I mean, this could very well hold, but ICT kind of teaches that, you wait for the low to get broken before you even take profits. So I'm pretty sure a lot of ICT traders probably entered something like this, perfect consummate encroachment, but they probably didn't take profit. And that's my biggest problem with ICT. Like, why am I not taking profit after capturing something like this? Sure, it didn't come all the way down to the low. Yeah, it didn't come all the way down to the low, but it got close enough. Why am I not taking profit? Why am I waiting for a price to just come all the way back down? Now I'm back in drawdown, taking some heat. Now I'm back in a little bit of profit. I probably got, but it's just too much. It's not my bag anymore. So I'm waiting. I'm sitting on hands. I hope you guys are staying safe and having a beautiful trading day. I'm just gonna be right here sipping my coffee, not getting tied up in this nonsense, this garbage right here. Yeah, like, look at it's messy, guys. It's messy. Like, practice today with extreme caution. Extreme caution today. Extreme caution. Very nice. Yeah, there's nothing here for me. Nothing here for me. Nothing here for me. Alrighty, so we're coming right back down here. Now shorts are looking pretty decent once again. Trying to kind of just going back and forth in this range. Once again, I would be in this short if we swept one, but we didn't. And I'm not about to nickel and dime it. Say, oh well, here's your one, two. Yeah, no, one never got swept. 1, 2. There is no 3 here. There is no 3. There is no 3 here. This may just break. And it can do that. It can do that. I'm just looking for my piece of the pie. Looks like we're about to get that break here. Looks really energetic. Yeah, it looks pretty energetic here. Take out my fib. Oh, sorry, wrong way apparently. I mean, yeah, this would have been your SBS here, guys. But once again, I am a stickler for those first 3 sequences right there. There was no 3. There was no 3. One meaning one didn't get didn't get swept. We just went straight to sweeping 2, which kind of suggests, maybe buyers want to step in here and take us to the opposite end of this range. So I'm not interested yet. So let's see what I want. I'm gonna take this fib off. Yeah, these are the days where you can get chopped up. These are days like this is tough because price is definitely moving. These are nice broad strokes of the broad candles here. They look really clean. They look really nice. But if you look at it, price is literally not moving anywhere, unfortunately. Yeah, price is just not moving anywhere. So I am forced to sit on my hands. Yeah, SMAs are aligned. We have a little swing point right here. Your opening range suggests going lower. By the way, the opening range isn't exactly a stoic thing. It's just something that I kind of put on top of my charts, just to give me a little bit of clarity. I don't want to jumble up my charts too much. I do like a clean chart, but I do want some type of level on the chart to let me know, hey, this is where we're at. If we're dancing around in this range, low probability, you might get chopped up. We're dancing around right here. Would kind of suggest that we want to go lower, but once again, we don't have a 3. No 3, no trade, non-negotiable. Non-negotiable. One has not been swept yet. Number 1 has not been swept yet. So that means we do nothing. We do nothing in this. I have nothing. Art Vandelay, good morning. Good morning to you. That's a Seinfeld reference. I know a little something. I know a little something, Art. Art Vandelay, he's an importer-exporter. Good morning, bro. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope you're having a wonderful trading day, man. Once again, let me put this disclaimer up. Don't copy me, follow your own strategy. I am here to build discipline, probably didn't spell that right. Discipline and give myself accountability. So I already know some of y'all are probably thinking, oh, the master trader is a nope. That is, I am, excuse my language, I am far fucking from that. Far fucking from that. So don't copy me. Don't copy me right there. Yeah, don't you do it. Don't copy me. Follow your own strategy. I'm here to build this one and give myself accountability. I technically suck. I technically suck. So follow your own stuff, guys. Follow your own stuff. Yeah, but yeah, Art Vandelay, he's an architect. Set up and did not take out 3. Exactly, Art. I'm doing the same thing on NQ. There's no 3 here. There's no 3 sweep. I'm locked. There's nothing I can do, even though shorts out of this area was pretty decent. You see, the thing about it, Art, I wouldn't switch long yet. The SMAs are still clearly barreling to the downside. The orb kind of suggests that we still want to go down to the downside. So shorts are still in play here. It's just that how long are we going to dance right here? Once again, if this 3 was right here and we had something exactly what price just did, this would have been a beautiful SBS coming out of this absolutely humongous first presented bullshit ass fair value gap. But yeah. But I'm just locked here, guys. So we may be sitting here. We may see price come like just start to skin marink all the way down here without me, which is fine. Dims the brakes. Oh, okay. Good job, Art. So I usually don't do this, but let's take a look at ES. I'm not trading ES, but oh, I see what you mean. 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 I don't know which one you probably took, but if I had to guess, you probably did 1, 2, maybe a little 3 right here. See, the problem is I'm kind of a stickler for it. If you, yeah, this is a little hard, but it still looks a little bit better than it looks a little better than NQ, that's for sure. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. I would have liked to see price come up to about this level here to take that short. So 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I would have liked to see price come up a little bit. Unless you were taking, yeah, it's a little sloppy, in my opinion. Discord. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed, Art. Yes, indeed. Okay, let me take a look. SBS over and over. Oh, I see what you mean. Okay, I see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Lines up with the SMAs and everything. That is a beautiful short. Yep, that looks good. That looks good. Unfortunately, NQ didn't give me what I was looking for. But it's all good. One day I'm going to leave my toxic relationship with NQ. I'm telling you. Me and NQ are going to break up one day. But if it flips structure here, I'll be bullish. Oh, I haven't taken anything. I want a higher sweep on the line. Exactly. That's exactly what I was thinking, Art. That's exactly what I was thinking. I wanted a better sweep on ES. Maybe something up to, I think my 200s here. I'm pretty sure we have to say 200. Maybe coming into this zone right here. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I can't, for my SBS and my model on the 1 minute, yeah, I would like a better sweep of all of this nonsense before going lower. Maybe getting into this move origin and start skinnamarink back down. Because as you can see, we're not going down. We're not going any lower here. And this is the days that kind of trips everybody up, myself included. If it wasn't for Stoic, I'd probably be in this trade along with the other ICT traders and getting my ass chopped to bits. But we're not doing that today. Or we're gonna do that tomorrow. We're staying here. And there it is. Patience and discipline is really paying off. myself out of this. Okay, guys. Well, I don't know what the fuck is happening. I know one thing though. NFP week ain't gonna catch me, dog. Art Vandelay. He's an import exporter. I'm telling you, Seinfeld is goated, man. I'm an architect. Okay, guys, we are well into the orb range, and I'll be honest with you, I am perfectly okay with not taking the trade this morning. I'm just going to be very honest with you. Alrighty, I'm stuck, guys. ES is probably looking a little bit better. One, two, three. I'm just not too convinced. I haven't done any back testing on SBS on ES yet, but if I had to imagine, you'd probably see some pushes to the downside after this, if we're right. So yeah, man, I can't do anything here, guys. I'm stuck. ES is looking better. I haven't back tested ES. NQ isn't giving me what I want. I mean, what else can I do here, guys? What else can I do? Besides not do anything. Once again, I am perfectly fine with not taking anything. Even though price has these nice broad candles on NQ. I'm pretty sure if you were to slap like 4 micros on something, all of this would have been enough for today. But it's not my model. It's not what I want to. Look at that. So there's an ICT trader here that's crying. No offense. There's an ICT trader here that's crying. But yeah. So we're back in the orb range. This is a no trade land for me. When I say my hands are up, my hands are up. There's nothing I can there's nothing I can do here, guys. So I'm not going to end the stream, of course. We're going to sit here and stare at this to build some discipline. But other than that, we're chilling. Almost shed a little tear right there. Got a little shout out from the mentor. I'm so proud of myself. But anyway, back to focusing back on the charts. Guys, I'm gonna be honest. I don't know what's going on, so let's look at the higher time frame. Oh, okay. All right, so we got closures above the 5 here. I mean, we got closures on the 5 above the 20 and the 200. The thing of it is, we are taught that when you see price, I mean, especially when you see the 200 just cutting through candles like this, I'm not feeling froggy. Now it's almost like I want to flip bullish, but I can't because there's no model. And now we're going back up. So once again, I'm proud of myself for not taking anything. I'm proud of myself for not taking this, because Lord knows there was probably 88,000 ICT traders taking this, and they just got cooked because for whatever reason ICT teaches not to take don't take any partials until the low gets hit. You want a home run every single trade, every single time. And now here it is. You went from a winning trade to almost hitting TP to break even to getting cooked. Bro, it's not for me. It's not for me. Yeah, we're chilling. We are chilling. Oh, let me get rid of this before somebody thinks I took this. All right, so we can finally get rid of shorts. Look good. We can finally get rid of that. Waiting for my model, and it's just not here. Exactly. Not too much to do here, guys. I'm trying not to break down and cry again. But yeah, guys, we're really ducking this, particularly on the 5 minute. Like, cutting through all of this right here. If you're an ICT trader, you're probably noticing that we took this very significant level up here. We displaced lower, hourly engulfing, and we're still not going lower. It's a hard day. Day before NFP, it's a tough day. Not a day I want to get cooked on though. So we wait, man. We wait. At this point, I wonder. At this point, I might as well get rid of this, right? I might as well get rid of this little sequence. I'm not looking at shorts anymore. I'm not looking at anything. This fair value gap and now here's my issue. Here's your first presented fair value gap, right? So we got 1, 2, we got 3 taps of it, and we still don't go lower. Now I'm trying not to dog on ICT because I do still respect the man in a sense, and his shit isn't completely useless. But if you're taking this and you're a new trader and you're expecting this low to get taken, and it didn't take it, and God forbid you don't break even, now you're losing. Now you're trying to chase price. I'm saying all this because I've done all this years ago, and now you're about to fiddle in the middle in this range right here where price can literally just do this, and you're getting your account cooked. Versus focusing on market structure. All right, price isn't doing what we wanted to do at a certain level. Stay out. You're getting in the middle of all of this. That's all the fair value gap is to me these days. You're getting in the middle of a range. Like there's no there. In fact, this is more than the fair value. This is a quote unquote unicorn. You got the breaker here. You got the fair value gap here. This is the most powerful algorithmic signature. And price traded to it 3 times, and then it finally passed through it. I mean, it's clear. It's clear as day to me. And then you're taught, inverse fair value gap, right? Inverse fair value gap. So maybe price wants to come back into here, and then go back up. But I have a feeling that price is just gonna slam right back down to levels to stop people out. So it's all of this is just from me just looking at the charts over and over again, failing over and over again with ICT, being an emotional degenerate over and over again, blowing accounts over and over again. So if I'm helping anybody, I would hope if I helped one person just kind of stay out of this nonsense right here, I'll consider that a W for the day, because it's tough. you're taught one thing. You're taught to get in at a certain level in the middle of a certain of a range, basically, where price can literally just dance all over the place. And you get cooked. Now you're emotional. Now you're mad. And I can guarantee you there are some ICT traders taking this right here to the upside. But now it's like, which gap do you take when price can literally just come right back down, close below this 20 moving average, and come all the way lower? This is a tough day, guys. This is a tough day. The 200 is going completely sideways. I haven't seen that in a long time. It's almost making me want to just lock my account in. Boom, look at that. So now your inverse fair value gap is getting inversed again. Your inverse is getting inversed. Like, come on now. Oh boy, but it's okay. It's okay. This is a hands-off market for me, guys. So if you came to see me take a trade, it's probably not going to happen. This looks enticing, but that's the problem. It just looks enticing. My model still has not showed up yet. Let me see. So let's get rid of your inverse fair value gap here, or your unicorn breaker gap, whatever the hell you want to call it. Now we're coming all the way back down. Now it looks like price wants to puke. I have no model. I wonder if ES is following my plan. So ES broke my zone a little bit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I was trading ES, to which I won't take this because I don't practice on ES. I just don't know her. I don't know her well enough. It broke this zone just a little bit, but that's fine. If we nip the zone, that's kind of fine. Have your fib right here. This doesn't look bad for ES. Am I taking it? No, because I haven't practiced ES. For all I know, price can just skinamarink, like, and do something like that for the next like hour or so. I'm just not interested in it. But ES looks pretty good. ES looks pretty good. Art, did you take that? I think this is what you were looking for. Around like that 80, 90 level. If you're still here. But it's looking pretty decent. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Let me find out I can leave my toxic relationship with NQ and start trading ES. So I'm gonna just forward test this. If I wasn't, I would. I don't even need the tool, but yeah, ES looks much better today. ES looks much better today. Sorry guys, I don't think I can take the ES trade because I haven't backtested ES, and it's mostly my fault. It's mostly my fault because I just haven't looked at her. And there it is. There it is. Very good. Art, if you're in it, congratulations, buddy. If you're not, it's all good. It's just I'm staring at NQ. I'm staring at NQ, and NQ didn't give up the goods. Meanwhile, ES is following the plan beautifully. Let me look at the 5-minute. Oh my gosh! Wow. Yeah, the SMAs look much better on ES. I mean, at least we're below the 20, and it's crossing downwards, at the very least, right? Good job, ES. Now let me look at NQ and see whatever the hell she's doing. NQ, we're breaking up. We're breaking up, NQ. We're breaking up. right back up. Right back up. I'm assuming that ES went right back up. Now in a situation like that, I don't really know what I would do. We got bears coming back in after we had a 4 and 5 sweep, but we moved so incredibly fast and retraced right back up. And I guess this is where the MAs kind of come into play because we're still kind of tangled. So we may just want to go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Strategy name, please. Firestorm Gaming. This is Stoic's SBS. Swing breakout sequence. I wish I had oh my gosh. I wish I had a robot to kind of like post things into the chat, but I'll link Stoic's YouTube because none of this is mine. All credits go to Stoic. I didn't make none of this up. I just put an orb on top of it because I like seeing it. Let me see. Stoic Trader. Send Stoic an invoice in a minute. Stoic Trader. I was getting ready to some awards for longs and that happened. There you go, Firestorm Gaming. This is everything you need about this strategy is all right here. No need to look anywhere else, in my opinion. It's all pretty simple. Most of it is about 2 or 3 videos, about an hour long. I mean, it's pretty simple. Learn the strategy, back test it, see if it fits you, and go from there. Alright, you didn't take the ES short? Oh man, I thought you was in that one. I thought you said you was looking for 80s. Why'd you flip bullish? Was getting ready to send more orders for longs and that happened. Yeah, I don't know why you flip. Why'd you flip bullish here? Ooh wee, yeah. I used SMC Bro today. Best entry in gold. Very nice, Firestorm. Very nice, very nice. Very good. Like I said, I am somewhat of an ICT SMC hater, but I respect all trading strategies. Every last one of them. If you're making money from whatever strategy you have my respect. Period. Point blank period. I'm not so cocky to the point where I'm just about to completely shit on something. If it's making you money in the markets, you're doing better than 90% of traders. So do what works for you. And yeah, so we're getting some major, I like to call them glitches. We're getting some major movements here in the market, but it's very important not to get enticed by it. I used to do this a lot, like, oh my God, the market's moving. Look at those broad candles. Oh my God, let me get in and try and capture something. And then it just doesn't work. So I kind of like a short here. I kind of like a short, but I don't like how price is kind of like just flashing back and forth. So it's not for me. Like, there are plenty of times to get into trades. There's no point in gambling. I mean, it's not gambling. I mean, the strategy is most definitely there, especially on ES. So it's not gambling, but why would you want to deal with this? Like, why would you want to? Price just came all the way back down, came all the way back up. I don't even know how many points that is. I forget how to count points on this nonsense. It's some way you do it. I don't know, but yeah. Why would you want to deal with this? Why would you want to deal with this? If I had to guess, we go short from here, but I'm not taking it, man. I'm not taking. It's just not my market. The SMAs are just kind of. I mean, it's on the lower time frame, it would suggest shorting, but on the higher time frame, it can just do that right there. Like, yeah, why would you? And you just got stopped out. You just got stopped out just like that. So everybody that was going short is getting absolutely destroyed. I don't know what happened. Trump or Elon is probably announcing that they're having another kid or some shit. Yeah. Nothing for me. Nothing for me. We got a crossing on the SMA on the 1 minute going upwards, and now we're back at the opening range high, and we're whoa. Yep, this is a hands-off market. Boys and girls, I'm sorry that you couldn't see a little bit of action today, but once again, my hands are tied. My hands are tied in this. Okay. Art, I hope you're staying safe in there, buddy. Mr. Vandalay, if you took a loss there, stand up for a second, take a breath. Knowing you probably didn't get in though. But yeah, just if you did take a loss, it's all good. Hopefully you didn't over leverage, or hopefully you didn't even take the trade. But if you did, deep breath is okay. Let those endorphins or whatever those chemicals that have us fighting a saber-toothed tiger get out. So yeah. I'm sorry, guys. The music stopped. I am so sorry. I've been so in my I've been diagnosing the market that I forgot that the music is no longer there. My bad, guys. Let's all just chill out for a second. I'm going to get another sip of coffee here. Be right back with you. Nothing here for me. And I'm back. Got the second half of my coffee. I like to put them in, I like to section them off so I'm not overdosing on caffeine. But guys, we went from range to range here. Let me see if I can try and find something, or at least trying to explain the market. I'm not a big fan of trying to explain everything that the market does. But let me see if I can try and... Nah, man, prices whipsawing back and forth, dude. Like I don't know, man. I do not know. This looks very ICT price algorithmic. But for me, this looks very dangerous. So if you're not trading this, it's okay. If you're not trading this, this is okay. Price can do whatever it needs to, whatever it feels like doing. It's okay. Our job is to not full on explain every single tick in the market. And if I could just rag on the ICT for another second, he does teach that you can just explain every single minute tick in the market, and you just can't. And that's what leads to blown accounts. And that's because your greed, your ego is in the way. Oh, it did this, it needs to do that. See how it went here to the tick? That's precision. That's random, huh? Random, right? Bro, get that shit out of your head. I'm trying to tell you. That's for people that actually have accounts that can handle shit like that. Us, people underneath of 4 years of trading, we need to be right here, dog. 1 second, guys. My headphones just died. Sorry about that. But as I was saying, if you're underneath 4 years of experience, you do not need a strategy that quote unquote explains every tick and move in the market. In my humblest of opinions, particularly if you're male, you're going to get into this thing of, oh, well, the market didn't do what I said it was going to do, even though it did it yesterday. That's the market, man. I'd rather you think that the market is completely effing random than thinking you have the ultimate strategy or the ultimate guide to explaining every single move in the market. It just doesn't work that way, man. So, you can call me an ICT hater if you want. I don't particularly hate him. I just think that some of that stuff that he teaches is just, the mindset he teaches is just, it's just wrong. You can't go into this shit thinking you can explain everything. Like, look at this. Look at this. We went from one range to the other side of the range. How do you explain that? Whose algorithm set that? Or it could have just been, hey, we're not going lower. Maybe buyers just want to buy that shit. You know what I mean? Now we broke above the orb high, which kind of suggests we want to do longs, but we broke the orb below, which kind of suggested short. So why would I trust? I mean, the 5 minutes probably looking a little bit better here. Yeah, we're finally above the we're above the 200 and the 20. The system says look for buys, but guys, I just don't want to deal with this today. So, but for the sake of practicing, I guess. Hopefully I don't FOMO into nothing. Let's go 1, 2. These things are huge. 1, 2. Here's your 3 sweep. And here's 4. And it's looking like we might get a 5. Once again, this is just not my market. I just activated this XFA after staying disciplined for about 10 days or so. You could see something like this, man. It's very possible, but if I do go in, I'd probably go in with the, like, when I say minimal risk, I may go in with 1 micro or something like that. Or we just want to stay in this opening range. High. But this is technically your 4 sweep. For some people, that means go time. For me, I always like to wait for a 5, especially in this market. Here's your move origin. All of this shit is just so wide right now, though. This would technically be your model 2 here, guys. I'll be honest, I kind of want to just be done for today. I'm not gonna lie, but this is your SBS model 2. 5 minute kind of suggested. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. All right, where's that disclaimer at? Waiting for my model. Don't you dare copy me. Because the way price has been flashing and moving, this could just fail too. But C setup takes setup. Do we have a swing point? Yeah, we have a swing point. Alrighty, guys. Alrighty, chat. If we can sweep this really good and come back up with strength from the bulls, I'll give that a shot. This range is ridiculously large. Now keep in mind, this could be your 5 right here too. I'm a model 2 type guy. So I would want to see it come into some type of move origin right here before I get involved. Let's look at the 5 minute. 5 minute would suggest it wants to keep going higher. But nothing for me yet. China's President Xi and Trump agree to start new round of talks as soon as possible. Is that why we got that booking? All right, guys, it looks like the 5 wants to be here. I'm not taking that. There's no way I'm chasing that. If we don't get a tap into this move origin right here, I'll just let it go. Like I said, I'm not trying to... Oh, come on, Andre English. I'm not trying to get into anything stupid right here. I would need price to kind of sweep 5 definitively, respect this area, and then bulls come right back in. That could be like your quote-unquote manipulation. So I'm looking for something like that. And if not, it's okay. A lot of people like to, this is technically extremely valid for a long. You know, we're respecting the 20. Technically the 5 leg doesn't have to sweep the 4 leg. It's just something that I like to see personally. And look how wide these stops are. There's no way that I would have been able to like where would your stop go? Your stop would almost have to be either here or even worse, down here. And the way price has just been teleporting, you know, I don't know. But this is a very valid SBS, in my opinion. It's just I'm a model 2 guy, so this may leave me too. This may leave me too. Yep. This blue line is the aura, by the way. Sorry if that wasn't clear. Yeah, I want my 5 to be down here. And I will give ICT this. He says demand what you want from price sometimes. So I'm demanding it. I'm demanding that price come down lower here. Sweep 4. And if it doesn't and it hits that green line, we'll reevaluate. If you're here watching the stream, consider liking, subscribing. You know, the YouTuber thing. I'm a terrible YouTuber, guys. I'm not gonna hold you. I'm literally just here to build some discipline. But you know, if you like what you're saying, if you like my commentary, if you agree with me in any way, shape, or form, consider, you know, liking, subscribing. Tell your friends. But don't copy me. Where's that thing at? Don't copy me. There we go. Don't you do it. I am very much a student of the game. I am not worth copying. Nor should you be copying, by the way. Nor should you be copying. I'm getting an email word. Then plans are to complete the final phase of sequel cutover both Empire Monday at 9. We'll keep you posted. Plans advise accordingly of who will support or concerns. Alrighty, guys. So we may have gotten a little Model 1 action there. Like I said, I'm a Model 2 guy, so I may have just, I probably just missed this move right here. Not kinda, I did miss the move, which is fine. You gotta do what makes you comfortable. I wanted this move origin to be tapped, and we just couldn't get it. I wanted 4 to get swept. English. I wanted 4 to get destroyed before getting in. Guys, it's 11 o'clock. I may give this another 15 minutes or so. I'm not going to stay here. I'm not going to be here staring at this all day. Will I come back in the PM session? Probably not. Probably not. I have other things I want to do today. So it's looking like we got Model 1. Looking like we got Model 1 here, guys. How's everybody's trading going so far? How's everybody feeling? You flat? Are you green? Are you red? It's okay, there's no shame in it. But let me know. Anybody taking any trades today? How you feeling about the market today? All that good stuff. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm typing you guys' ear. I'm gonna mute myself. But please comment in the chat. Tell me how your day was going. I just realized I was talking on mute that entire time. I'm so sorry. Nick, good stuff, man. Good stuff. I was over here outlining your trade here, trying to look for it. So I saw it. I think I saw it on the 5-minute. I think I saw swing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 comes down. The only thing that's kind of scaring me is that we were technically above the 200 and the 20. That's the only thing that would make me a little bit scared. But maybe you took it on the lower time frame, to which the lower time frame probably gave you the sauce. Yeah, something like 1, 2, yeah, whatever. We'll count that as a sweep. Why not? 3, close enough. 4, 5, beautiful right there. So for anybody that's confused what I'm talking about, once again, I'm no teacher. Please learn this stuff straight from Stoic. I am not your guy. But higher up. So it wasn't this. 1, 2. Here's your close enough 3. Even though I'm a stickler for it. But that's close enough. I'm looking at 4 somewhere around here, and your 5 somewhere around here. Yep. And I don't know whether you use fibs or not, but I would have. And I'm going to assume that lines up almost perfectly with. Yep. So I'm assuming that you probably waited for some type of bearish confirmation because this is pretty high. And doesn't do it with strength though until it gets all the way down here. But the SMAs were officially in your favor around like right here. But you could have played it aggressively and got up right here. I don't see no shame in that. I do it sometimes too. And it's 8 o'clock. This would have scared me a little bit. And like, it's before unemployment claims. That would have been better. Sweep of the 7 a.m. highs. Yep, little sweep right here. Little Dave Teaches action. I will admit I have not seen any of Dave Teaches content yet. I'm trying to like dig into it, but I'm trying to be nice to myself. I don't need too much. Everything you're seeing is going off of previous data that I have from the past and Stoic's mentorship. So so I'm guessing you meant this 7 a.m. sweep right here that formed your 5. This kind of powers that move right here. If you sniped this right here, good man. Like come all the way down here. What a beautiful SBS on funky ass NQ. I pulled the fib at 632. So you used the entire. Whoops. You probably used the entire thing. So this right here, 632 would be probably this shit right here. Either this or this right here. I'm assuming you mean this. Oh wow, yeah. If this is it and somehow you sniped this, I wouldn't even be looking at the charts for today. I wouldn't be on my stream. Glad you're here though. Glad you're here though, Nick. Thank you for being here. But if I caught this, I'd tell all you guys to fuck off. Like, I did what I had to do today. 645 is number 1. 645 is number 1. Oh, okay. So you probably talking about this right here. You probably did this or something like that. Like I said, I don't want to like dissect your trade or nothing, but I'm pretty sure like this is the general consensus. You know, leg here, sweep here. Comes back up, almost sweeps it with the 5 right there, comes all the way down. Nick, I really appreciate that, man. I really appreciate that. Like I said, I'm no professional by any means. You will most likely see me crash out eventually. I'm trying not to crash out, but I am literally doing this so that I don't, crash out and start doing stupid things. It's documented on my other live streams before. But yeah, I've definitely crashed out on stream, cursed, threw shit at the wall, all that good stuff. And you know, just like Stoic kind of teaches, you just have to, you know, just gotta, you know, build discipline outside of your life. So whatever's that scary thing that you don't want to do it. And yeah, so this is my scary thing, live streaming in front of you guys. And so far it's kind of paying off. I've kind of avoided 3 bad trades so far, and 1 trade missed me, but I did see it. It was outlined, I just didn't want to take it. So yeah, I really wish I had the gumption to do it, but once again, it's just not my model. I love it when 5 completely sweeps, 4 taps into a move origin. That's the gas, that's the juice, that's the power, that's the strength, and then we start making those highs right there. Exactly how you just did this right here. So yeah, it gets easier with time. Keep showing up. Oh my gosh, that's not the guy, is it? wait a minute, what's going on? That's not the guy. Hello Dave, how are you? Hope you're having a beautiful trading day. Trying my best here, sir. Trying to make people proud and make myself proud. But thank you. I'll keep showing up. I will certainly keep showing up. Anywho, guys, it's 11 a.m. I'm not going to end the stream yet. I'll probably get this another 20 minutes or so, but it's looking like I'm not getting into a trade today. But I like this live stream thing. Talking to you guys is helping me stay out of bad trades. You know, I stayed out of some ICT nonsense this morning. I was just about to take the first presented nonsense this morning right here. And as an ICT trader, I was going to not just hold it. But as you can see, we got cooked with your first presented bullshit. But you know, it's a better day. We're trading something different. We're trading market structure that actually makes sense and indicators that keep you safe. So yeah, guys. Once again, do not copy me. I very much suck. But I hope you guys are having an awesome day. I'm totally having an awesome day right now. I'm not gonna lie. I got some goats looking at me. Some people that I look up to. I got some eyes looking at me right now. They're approving. I mean that's good enough for me, to be very honest with you. I just activated this XFA today, and I said let's just take it very smoothly. But first presented nonsense. And I know for a fact that there were ICT traders that took this. I know because I took a little peek at their stream and they got cooked here. But yeah. Hey Nick, this was beautiful though, man. This was beautiful. I really do like this. This is like hats off to you. Hats off to you. Oh, can I like streams? I mean, like comments. I'm a terrible YouTuber, by the way, guys. I don't know if I can like stuff, but I put like a little heart emoji or something. Oh man, I'm really bad at this, huh? I typed in heart in the chat. Oh man, I'm really bad. I'm really bad. Yeah, next week. Enjoy your weekend. Thank you, Dave. Really appreciate everything you've done for the community, sir. Like, really, you have a great rest of your weekend. Why am I typing it? I just said it. Like, guys, you want to find out that I'm really goofy, by the way. I'm one of the goofiest people you'll ever meet, so. Yeah. Congrats if you took that SBS, though, guys. I know somebody took it, but not for me. Not for me. See you, Nick. You have a good rest of your day. Get away from the charts, buddy. Get away from the charts. Enjoy the rest of your day. You've earned it. You've earned it. See you. Where is my music? Why does my music keep stopping? What this entire time with my music? Yeah, guys, I'm going to give this another 15. 11:30 is usually my time to just, get away and decompress from this. Oh man, I really wish I would have taken this though, but no, that's FOMO starting to creep in, which means it's almost time to turn the stream off and get away from the charts. In fact, this is what we're gonna do, guys. Since I know we're not gonna get anything, I'm gonna lock my account for the rest of the day. There's no point in trying to wrestle with this. So, give this another couple minutes here, guys. So my account is locked. I officially have locked out of my account. There's nothing I can do here. Good stuff, Tim. Yep, your SBS Model 1, that was your move today, guys. It was funny, if I was a little bit more riskier and I was in combines, I probably would have taken it and have like stops like some. I wanted to see bulls come in first. Just wasn't. I mean, nothing's ever perfect, but I probably would have did something like this. Maybe would have got your 1-1 there, and boom, there you go. There you go. I wasn't in it. I'm just glad that I saw it. This was definitely outlined before it happened, so it'll happen one day. It'll happen one day. But if it was just a little bit lower, I would have entertained the long. You guys heard it. You heard me. You heard me. But yeah, that's gonna do it for me today, guys. I don't see a reason to kind of to mess around with this today. So if you haven't yet, consider subscribing, leaving a like, comment. I don't know, do the things, do what you fancy. I mean, it is what it is. But that's gonna do it for me today, guys. We stayed safe. That's the most important thing. I will see you guys in the next stream. Peace and love.